Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing this. So this is the Volkswagen ID Buggy. Okay, let me just, yeah, you can see here. And this is by Majorette from their mainline series. So let's just unbox it. Anyway, I'm not going to save this particular card or anything like that. So let me just, yeah. Wow, that actually feels really light. Okay. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, neat, cute. It is really little. I mean, it looks really cute. I personally love this kind of tiny cars. Again, my actual car itself is a very small car. I love small cars. Okay, it has headlight detailing here. The Volkswagen badge looks absolutely neat. And I think this is supposed to be fog lamps if I'm not wrong. So I don't think it's a turn indicator, but it is still there. It looks really neat. I personally like this set of rims. This looks really unique and it actually fits this particular casting really well. And the interior looks really neat. It is very simple, but it is really neat. So I'm hoping this is supposed to be a battery pack. I mean, inside this is supposed to be the battery pack. And it has taillight detailing here, but it is not painted, but it still has. Again, I stopped buying Majorette mainlines because of this reason, because they reduce the quality and the price as well. I think this is second casting which I bought after a long time. We did unbox the Nissan GT. I don't remember. It's a Nissan Grand Turismo if I'm not wrong. So after that, I think I bought this one. That's it. So I didn't buy anything else if I'm not wrong. But this one looks really neat. The body is actually metal. Only this part, the pink part, is metal. Rest everything is plastic in this casting. And the interior here, everything is plastic. It has rear view mirrors here. That is really neat. Think, yeah, it does have wiper details here. That is also really neat. But overall, the casting looks really, really beautiful. I don't see any issue with it. Let's see if it has suspension. No, did they remove suspension also from mainlines? I mean, again, I stopped buying mainlines, but I really want to know. I am really curious at this point. So if you guys are collecting Majorette mainlines from 2025, do let me know if they removed suspension from all the castings. I really want to know that. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I am hoping this casting is somewhere around 10 grams. Let's see. Okay, 15 grams, not bad, but still it is very light, like paper. I think you can even blow this. Let me try. Yeah, I just blew that casting away. Okay, let's roll this car now. It rolls okay. So recently Majorette actually rolls really well. I mean, the semi-premiums, even the premium ones. This also rolls really good. I mean, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but still it rolls good. Not excellent, but good. So let's rate this casting again. So if it is a older mainline, the rating scheme is entirely different, which I don't remember whether it did rate at that point, back then during 2023 or so. But for this, I don't know, man. So I'm seeing even the Nissan which I unboxed, I didn't see any taillight detailing there. So maybe that's the norms, I guess, nowadays for Majorette mainlines. So if that is the case, I'm giving a 10 out of 10. If that is not the case, if it is supposed to have a taillight, then it is 9.5 out of 10. So you guys need to let me know how the current Majorette mainlines are. So do let me know. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.